I'm Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we've got a Bentley Rolls-Royce steering wheel. Now this is unusual in as much we've made it undersized, so it was originally 18-inch diameter and we've made it 16. We've reduced its diameter, but we've put a rim on which is very in keeping with the Bentley or Rolls, with the finger grips on the inner edge, and it's retained its tapered centre boss. This would fit R-Type, S-Type, Mark 6, S1, and back as far as Phantom 3, 1938. But as I say, we get interest in these wheels for people who have adapted their cars with power steering, or they require more space between the seat and the steering wheel.